Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you all? Hope you are fine. Welcome to class 3. We are starting our lecture number 1. We are starting the lecture number 1 with the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most beneficent. We are facing the third wave of coronavirus. Therefore, it becomes necessary to keep us safe at home. You should wash your hands with soap for 20 seconds, use sanitizer and also wear a mask on your face. Keep social distancing, and we are going to start our online classes from today. In this video you can see the book Oxford Broadway book for class 3. Now we are going to start our lesson. The name of the unit is unit number 1. Start करेंगे Amin and the eggs. Now we are going towards starting the reading. Once upon a time there was a man called Amin. He lost all his crops in a drought. Amin decided to look for work in another village, and off he went on his donkey. Before he left, he bought a dozen hard-boiled eggs from a merchant and promised to pay him later. 7 years later, Amin returned to his village. He came on a fine black horse. Behind him was a camel carrying bags full of gold and silver coins. Amin was a rich man now. The news soon spread through the village. Soon the merchant who had given him the dozen boiled eggs knocked at Amin's door. Pay back the debt you owe me, he said. Give me 500 silver coins for the eggs you bought. Amin refused to pay such a large sum, so the merchant took his complaint to the judge. The merchant appeared in court, but there was no sign of Amin. The judge waited and waited. Suddenly Amin rushed in out of reach. At once the merchant said, My lord, 7 years ago this man took 12 eggs from me. 12 eggs would have become 12 chickens. These chickens would have become hens and cocks. The hens would have laid more eggs. The eggs would have hatched into chickens. After 7 years, I would have had a large flock of birds. Now Amin must pay me 500 silver coins for all the birds I have lost. You are right, agreed the judge. He turned to Amin with an angry look and said, What do you have to say? And by the way, why are you late? Amin said, My lord, I had a plate of boiled beans in the house. Before coming here, I planted them in the garden so that I will have a good crop next year. Fool, exclaimed the judge, how can boiled beans grow into anything? Amin replied, Yes, indeed, my lord. And how can boiled eggs hatch into chickens? And that's how Amin won the case. This is the end of our reading. I will tell you a short summary of this lesson. This is a short story about two persons, Amin and a merchant. Once Amin lost his crops because there was too little rain. He decided to work in another village. Before leaving, he took a dozen hard-boiled eggs from a merchant and promised to pay him when he will return. For 7 years, Amin worked hard and returned back with bags full of gold and silver coins. Amin became a rich man. Soon the merchant demanded money from Amin for the eggs. When he bought, Amin refused to pay him. The merchant asked the judge to solve this issue. Both appeared before the judge, but Amin was late. When the judge tried to know the reason of arriving late, he told the judge that he was planting boiled beans in the house. In this way, judge came to know that how can boiled eggs be hatched. In the end, we learned that Amin won the case. Hope you understand the story. In this lesson, अमीन एक आदमी का नाम है जो कि अमीन जो है वो अपनी सारी फसलें जो उसकी तबाह हो जाती हैं, वो तय करता है कि वो काम करेगा किसी दूसरे शहर में जाकर, किसी दूसरे कस्बे में जाने से पहले वो क्या करता है कि एक ताजर होता है, उससे वो 12 एग्स ले लेता है, अंडे ले लेता है, रुके उबले हुए होते हैं ताकि वो तिजारत कर सके। लेकिन क्या होता है कि वो जब वो चला जाता है तो जब 7 साल के बाद वो वापस आता है तो वो उसके पास बहुत ज़्यादा बैग्स होते हैं जो कि भरे हुए होते हैं सोने से। लेकिन उसमें क्या होता है कि जो ताजर है वो सुलेता ताजर उससे पैसों का तकाजा करता है। जब उनका मुकदमा जो है वो कोर्ट में चला जाता है तो कोर्ट में क्या होता है कि वो इसी तरह से उनकी जंग जब जारी होती है। फिर अमीन जब जज बैठा हुआ वो कर रहा होता है कि फैसला हो रहा था उसी टाइम जब वो अमीन आता है और अमीन लेट होता है, मतलब काफ़ी देर से आता है। और अमीन आके कहता है कि मैं जो हूँ वो उबले हुए जो लोबिया है दाने हैं वो मैं उनको ज़मीन में बो रहा था ताकि अगले साल उससे मुझे अच्छी फसल हासिल हो सके। इससे साबित हुआ कि अमीन जो है वो केस जो है वो जीत गया। सो दिस इज़ द एंड ऑफ अवर लेसन। होप यू अंडरस्टैंड द लेसन। नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू do the dictation words of this lesson. As you can see in the video, you write down, draw the proper margin lines on your notebook, mention the date and day of your lecture, then you write down the unit number 1, unit ka name Amin and the eggs. Dictation: merchant, 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 PROMISED, promised, BOUGHT, bought, RETURNED, returned, COMPLAINT, complaint, JUDGE, judge, APPEARED, appeared, HATCHED, hatched, LOST, lost, LORD, lord. Merchant, promised, bought, returned, complaint, judge, appeared, hatched, lost, lord. You do your work properly, neat and clean on your notebooks. Properly you draw margin lines, mention the date and day of your lecture, then you write down the name of unit and answer the unit number. Write down the dictation words neat and clean on your notebooks. Take a good care of yourself.